Hi, in this question, we're going to be looking at a coordinate geometry problem over here. Now, we are given that the expression of a line is this expression over here, 5x plus 7y equals to 46. All right, and we are supposed to find the equation of the line passing through this particular point, and this uh, other line is parallel to this particular line over here. Now, what do we know about parallel lines? Okay, so when two lines are parallel, we can say that they both have the same gradient. All right, so with that, what we first need to do is to find the gradient for this expression over here. So we can rewrite this in the standard form. What is the standard form? The standard form is y equals to mx plus c. So let's go ahead and rewrite this expression. So what we have is 7y equals to negative 5x plus 46. So y is equals to negative 5 over 7x plus 46 over 7. Now, which part of this expression is the gradient? That is this part over here, the m. So we know that the gradient is negative 5 over 7, which is the same gradient for this line over here. So let's write the general equation for this parallel line. So y is equals to negative 5 over 7x plus c. So what is missing? The thing that is left for us to find is the constant c. And since we know that it passes through this particular point, we substitute these values of x and y into this expression. So what we will have is negative 5 equals to negative 5 over 7, 2 plus c. Alright, so from this we will get negative 5 equals to negative 10 over 7 plus c. Okay, and going ahead to solve for c, what you get is c is equals to negative 25 over 7. So with that, you can write the final expression as y equals to negative 5 over 7x negative 25 over 7. Alright, if you do not want to have fractions in your final expression, you can multiply everything by 7, and what you will get is 7y equals to negative 5x negative 25. Alright, and that is your final answer over here. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.